All right, YouTube, this is Greg ME 2005, and today we are going to put the battery in the tractor, put some gas in it, and see if it fires up. Remember, in the last video we did, we put a fuel valve install. We did the fuel valve, and we put a new filter, so it's going to probably take a little while for it to crank over because the lines are dry. So if you guys see this video, that means his battery's not dead. I put the battery in the house in the closet on a piece of wood. I should have probably trickle charged it, but I expect this battery to fire right up, because it worked great last year. Put this bad boy down. All right. You guys get some little bit of camera action going on here. There you go. It's the size for this is a 7/16, so that won't fit in there. It's my ratcheting one. That'll fit, all right. So we just kind of get that in there like that. Put that there. 7/16 on both sides. And this battery, by the way, this is still a 2007 battery, because this is my original that I got with the tractor. All right, time to do the other one. Other side. The only reason why we're getting the tractor going today is because it's a nice day out, and I actually need the tractor. I got quite a bit of stuff I got from Menards that I got to haul back with the wagon, so we got to get the wagon unraveled too. So, get it all done. All right, put this cover back on. Put the seat down. Tools up here. Let's see. Let me get the emergency brake on, the e-brake. We'll even see if it's got start power. Battery might be dead, like I said. Nope, it's got start power, guys. All right, we're going to put some gas in there. I finally got smart, guys, here, and I finally picked up a funnel made for fuel. Instead of trying to use an oil change one that I had to clean out every time I do oil on a vehicle or fuel. So now I got the proper setting. We are going to use, I got 89 octane gas, that's what I use for the tractor and the lawnmowers, and really all the small equipment I have. And we are going to start her up. I also run fuel stable in all my fuels, no matter what piece of equipment it is. With all the gas being all ethanol and stuff, this is probably the best thing to do for it. Let's put some fuel in there. Yeah, I still got an old school gas can. I'm not letting it go. These new gas cans suck. But they got some nice ones out now. I've seen at Menards where you just push a button and it fills up. I'm not going to put a ton of gas in here. Just enough for me to move things around. Enough gas to stay in there. That should be enough for now, guys. All right. Get that fuel funnel out of there. Well, it's already filtered out some debris down there. That's cool. It's a good thing to have. Get the cap back on there. By the way, guys, I got 16.3 hours on my meter, but I put an additional 4 hours before I even had the meter. So I put about 20 hours on this tractor last year. So that's not too bad. That was kind of a lighter year. This is going to be more of a heavier year. We got a lot more stuff going on. Let's get the camera angle doing good. Let's see. You guys like to see what blows out of the tail, the pipe down here. We'll start her up. All right, guys. I'm going to go start her up now. Full choke on. All right, guys. That's it. The battery needs to be trickle charged. That kind of sucks. I'm going to go get the trickle charger. Got a little bit left, but not quite enough to fire it up. So let me get a trickle charge and let's see what goes on. All right, guys. I shut the camera off for about an hour and a half. I've had it on the trickle charge. Let's see if that done anything for it. Nope, it's as dead as can be. That's a shame. What I really need is too bad I can't get this rolled up there by the truck. Really, I need to jump the battery with the truck. This will be kind of a pain in the butt to roll up there, but I may end up having to do that because I want to get this puppy fired up. So we might just take it up there and roll it up by the truck. All right, YouTube. I ended up pushing the tractor up by the truck. You know, future reference, if you're going to take the battery out of the tractor or leave it in, you might want to trickle charge it or do something with it over the winter. I figure I'd be safe with it being inside the house on a piece of wood in the closet, but I guess not. I'm going to fire up the truck. I might just do the jumper cables on here. Alright, YouTube, let's see if it fires up. I'm going to see if I can do it without getting on it, obviously. I don't know. I probably can't get this fired up without sitting on it, so just let that charge for a couple minutes. Alright, YouTube, we're going to try it right now. I'm going to get my foot on the clutch. My hand is on the foot stop here. Seat stop. Like she fires right up. Just need a little bit of charging on that battery. Boy, she's purring. Boy, time to take the choke off. looks good. No gas leaks or nothing. Alright guys, our little adventure trying to get the Poulan Pro riding tractor started here. Fires right up. All it was is not enough crank amp in the battery. Anyways guys, this is Greg on E 2005 signing off guys.